I'd 1.7 feet at 9:23 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Rip current hazard, medium. Now for the local seas forecast for Huntington Beach. Water temperature was 72 degrees. It is currently high tide. High tide at 5 feet. Low tide 1.7 feet. At 9:25 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Rip current hazard, medium. Now for the hazardous seas outlook for the Southern California coast. Medium rip currents could make swimming and boating potentially dangerous. Use caution if out on sea. Now for the 2 o'clock observations around the area. In Anaheim, Disneyland Park, it was 78 degrees and sun. Earthquake. Strong to severe shaking expected in 15 seconds. Drop, cover, and hold on. This is an early earthquake warning for the Los Angeles area. Drop cover and hold on. Earthquake. Strong to severe. Marine water forecast for the Southern California coast. For the outer waters, moderate to high confidence and current forecast. Today through tonight, high confidence in winds and seas remaining below small craft advisory levels. On Saturday, high confidence in small craft advisory level. Winds and seas developing. The winds will shift to northwest Saturday night and Sunday with high confidence in small craft advisory level winds and seas continue. Following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The National Weather Service in Los Angeles has issued a tsunami warning for the entire Southern California coast. At 2:14 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a magnitude 8.4 earthquake struck off the coast of Los Angeles. As a result of the earthquake, an extremely large and dangerous tsunami has generated. Wave heights are unknown at this time, but this tsunami is extremely large and dangerous and could cause catastrophic damage to Southern California. As a result, an evacuation order is in effect for the entire Southern California coast and anyone that is in a 150-mile range of the Southern California beaches. This large tsunami will strike Huntington Beach in 45 minutes. You are in a life-threatening situation. A tsunami can bring catastrophic flooding and damages to anything in its path. You must evacuate immediately. Evacuate now. I repeat, evacuate now. Follow all evacuation zones and listen to civil authorities for evacuation directions. To repeat, a dangerously large and possibly catastrophic tsunami has been generated 35 miles off the coast of Los Angeles. Evacuate or seek higher ground now. Following message is transmitted at the request of the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Civil authorities has issued a civil danger warning for the entire Southern California coast. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. An extremely large and catastrophic tsunami has been spotted 6 miles off the coast of Huntington Beach. The tsunami will bring catastrophic flooding and damage to the LA area. The tsunami will strike in 9 minutes. Seek higher ground now. Seek higher ground now. It is too late to evacuate. I repeat, it is too late to evacuate. Everyone listening to this broadcast should prepare for impact. This tsunami will bring catastrophic flooding and damages to the coast of Southern California. Damages to structure and piers will occur. Prepare for life-threatening flooding in the area. The National Guard has been activated to help prepare rescue missions. If you did not adhere to the instructions of the evacuation alert, you are in danger, and protective actions must be taken immediately. The National Guard will come to help anyone who is in immediate danger. Stay on higher ground, brace for impact, and stay alert for the tsunami.